Nostalgia Concession CCP 510 Vintage Professional Popcorn Cart. New 8-ounce kettle, 53 inches tall, red. 32 cups of popcorn, whether movie time or snack time. This unit pops up to 32 cups of movie theater style popcorn per batch to keep popcorn buckets full. Nostalgia Popcorn Kits unit works perfectly with all Nostalgia popcorn kits. Try the Theater Hot Air and Kettle Kit, KPK 400, the 4 ounces. Popcorn Oil and Seasoning Packs, KPP 424, the reusable popcorn bowl. Nostalgia SCM 525BL Vintage Countertop Snow Cone Maker makes 20 icy treats, includes 2 reusable plastic cups and ice scoop, blue. Approximate capacity, whether party time or snack time. This unit can hold up to 20 8-ounce snow cones at a time. Nostalgia Snow Cone Kits unit works perfectly with all Nostalgia Snow Cone Kits. Try the Snow Cone Kit, SCK3, Snow Cone Syrups, SCS 160, or the Straws and Cups, Straw Cup 20. Nostalgia Vintage 2.5-ounce Tabletop Kettle Popcorn Maker makes 10 cups, with kernel and oil measuring spoon and scoop, perfect for birthday parties, movie nights. Black, 2.5 ounces. Movie theater popcorn, whether it's movie night or snack time, this cart pops up to 10 cups of movie theater style popcorn per batch to keep popcorn buckets full. Nostalgia Popcorn Kits, perfect for use with all Nostalgia popcorn kits. Theater Hot Air and Kettle Kit, KPK 400, PPB 600 reusable popcorn bowls, PCSP 5 pre-measured coconut oil popcorn kit. Hot Air Popcorn Maker Machine, LEDBO Home Popcorn Maker, BPA free, 96% popping rate, 2 minutes fast electric popcorn popper with measuring cup and removable cover, no oil, healthy snack. Nostalgia RHP 310 8-cup healthy retro classic hot air popcorn maker, no oil needed, retro red. Pops up to 8 cups of popcorn per batch. Unique popping chamber design creates swirling airflow that results in fewer unpopped kernels. Healthy, oil-free popping. Measuring cap to ensure proper amount of kernels used. Convenient countertop size. BPA free.